Welcome back, guys. So again, we have here the 2025 Toyota Camry. For this video, we will be doing the reverse lights, which is using a 921 bulb size. Our 921 is equivalent to the T15. So for this one, we'll be using our L series T15. Let's show you guys how it looks. We're doing a few bulbs that are still remain incandescent. On this one, the reverse light is still a incandescent bulb, so we're going to be replacing it with our T15. The original size is of course a 921. T15, same exact size. Let's show you guys how it looks and how to install. Alright guys, so this is a very simple install. How to properly do it, you don't want to pull this and run the risk of ripping it. So just pop off 2 tabs. Very easy. You can pop more if you like, but we saw that by popping these 2 is pretty much all you need. And you have easy access to the bulb. Alright, here's the bulb. Simply turn, you're going to turn it clockwise. Take the bulb out. Now you're going to get our T15. The part number on this is L-T15. And you're going to insert it into the socket. These, any way they go in, they're going to turn on, so you do not have to test polarities. Any way they go in, they'll turn on. Alright guys, so that sums up the install for the reverse lights. As you guys can tell, it's a very simple install. Just 2 little pins you pop out and you have access to the bulb. Quick install. The original bulb on the vehicle, of course, is a 921. On this product, we use our L series T15. Part number is L-T15. As you guys can tell, it's a big improvement over the regular yellow bulbs. You'll definitely be seeing more when you reverse, and it'll help you more in the backup camera. If you guys like this product, you can go on our website, Lasfit.com. You guys can find it there. Again, part number L-T15, or you can just look it up by typing the year, make, and model of the vehicle, and it'll come out as well. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, as it gives us more, to give you more content. Thank you again. You guys have a great day.